Well, day 40 something. Gotta clean this place out today, gotta move out, so kind of crappy, but you know, we'll go somewhere a little cheaper to stay maybe. Now that I got all my crap mostly packed up, I just realized I have no idea where my truck keys are. So, shit. Well, full speed's gonna be nice enough again to let me work in the corner of the shop over there. I'll start with the secondary, but the mechanic seems to think it's probably the fuel pumps. Well, I got the secondary part, not the secondary. Don't think it's primary there, so the guys are leaning towards the fuel pump. Getting her plugged in, see if we see any codes. Man, of course, it's another beautiful day here, and I'm in the shop. Well, my sled didn't fail the fuel test for the fuel pump, which I'm pretty bummed about. I was really hoping that's what it was going to be, you know, just get it out of the way, but not really sure what to look at next. Maybe I'll take the primary off and check the spring in it, but kind of doubt it. Kind of doubt we got the sled figured out. All I did was change the fuel filter, check the clutches, check the fuel pump. We're gonna go out for a little ride, test it out, see what happens. I made a post on Facebook on 850 owners thing, and just, you know, asked what people thought. And there's like 3 people that said, oh, it's on its way out, which better not be the case. I don't think that's the case. So, like, I could have just tested the compression quickly, but I already started putting it back together, and I was like, whatever. Still goes into reverse, and you know, it doesn't lose power. It still pulls RPM, no problem. I don't know. We'll find out. Just gonna go take a rip up frisbee in the cup block, so I'm gonna test her out. Well, I may be just going for a little putt, but I still get fully geared up since I am by myself, and you know, anything could happen. Plus, I just feel way more comfortable actually having all my stuff on. I don't even think I can get it to do it at this elevation. Oh, I feel like I can't even ride today. Well, as you can see, our problem definitely isn't fixed. For 1500 meters, you can see I held the throttle wide open and it just would fall flat on its face. There was almost like a scent, like a smell when I got to the top and stopped. I'm not sure if that's just me though. Try it again. $71, $72, $8, $655. Weird. RPMs kind of wanted to hang there. I don't know if, for any reason why. We just sat for about 5 minutes. Motor's probably still pretty warm. Well, that was dumb. Try that again. I'm not really sure what to think. Kind of does it a little different every time. It almost seems like if I let it sit for a few minutes and then go do it, it doesn't do it quite as bad, but it still does it. Oh, I'll go back to the shop, talk to the mechanic, see what he thinks. I'm just gonna ride it, whatever. I'm not missing out on more snowmobiling. Missing part of today killed me as it was. It may not have been real snowmobiling, but it was still kind of fun to get up the mountain. I can say I went out snowmobiling. It was almost like being in Ontario. I just did wheelies the whole time. This guy's doing some mountain riding on Expedition Extreme. Well, we got Jaden in the shop here. He's just laying a beating on this thing. Wow. Didn't you bend one of these shocks and have to replace an A-arm and
Get stitches on the nose.
oh yeah. Good stuff. Alright, well I'm all moved into my new place. You guys want the big grand tour here? It's really something. Alright, this is my nice air mattress. Got all my crap over there. I guess I'll show you the rest of the place. We're a little bit under construction here, but we've got a bathroom. No shower curtain, but it does work. Yeah. I'm just happy to have a bed. That's all I need. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's boring video. Somehow I still managed to make it over 8 minutes long. But we'll be back to regular scheduled programming tomorrow, hopefully. And we'll see you then, day 44. Thanks for watching.